Today, now we'll make a hungry cat game in Scratch. For beginners, yeah, it's gonna be kind of easy or hard, I don't know. So let's start moving. So first, you have to go to events group. Then when the green flag clicked, get that. And if you don't know what does glide 1 seconds to a random position. Glide means it just goes to random positions because it's saying random position. Yeah, like this. Then you should get some. Oh no. Sorry, I kind of did a mistake. I should actually do this on the mouse. So add a mouse sprite first. You can add as many mouses as you want. Not my problem. So the mouse, you of course need to get the glide, then the vents, and then this. So look what happens. See? The mouse is just gliding to random positions when I click it, the green flag. But though we want this to go forever, but not actually forever. We have to make it until it touches the cat. And the cat will be moving. This will only work in computer. So if you're using a tablet or then you can just set the mode draggable. Then I'm gonna make another video of that, okay? So yeah, this is the sensing. So it's gonna keep gliding to random positions, and this is sprite 1. If you don't know what is sprite 1, sprite is this cat. So it's gonna keep moving until it touches the sprite. And then this cat, it's gonna move. But how do we move it? Great question. Well, we cannot drag it because we have to first drag the mode. You can see I can drag it still, but if you just turn it full screen, then do it. You cannot drag the cat, look. Even if you just turn the green flag. Like that. So we want this cat to move with our commands. So this I'm gonna show how to use computer. So let's dive in. When space key pressed, get it 4 times. Then you got to go to the point which is in the motions group. Point in direction 4 times also. Yeah, we can just group that. And then the move 10 steps also 4 times. If you're confused, what am I gonna do? Well, here's what am I gonna do. So this is the up arrow. So when we press the up arrow, then it's gonna point in the up direction. Okay? And then if it points in the up direction, we can just move 10 steps. Look. Well, let me just pause the video for a second because since I need to get my extension for my tab. Okay guys, I'm now ready with my extension. So let me show you. So start the game. And let me just press the arrow key. The up arrow key, look. It's moving. So now let's just continue with the other block. So let me just put this move 10 steps here. Get this out. You actually don't really need to get those points like me because you can just copy it. If tablet, just hold it. And if you're using computer, then just left click. So point in direction, right arrow, And then move 10 steps there, of course. And then there. Okay. So now let me just change this into right arrow. No, I mean left arrow. Then point in direction, of course, 90 but negative. So let's type in that. Negative 90 there. And of course, this is just the down arrow, just which is 180. Okay, there. So now, as you see, there. Now it's completed. So now let me just add the background for a little bit, just so that this looks nice. So I'm just gonna choose blue sky with those grass bushes in it. Then I'm just add one more thing. Just of course the one green flag is clicked. Okay. So you have to get that thing also. Then let me just say the position, that is negative 90 y-x. So this is the go to x thing. So you have to put the sprite in those positions you want to. So then when the green flag is clicked, it's gonna go to this position. So I'm just put it here, turn green flag. Then look, I just went here again. So now the game, it's almost completed. Just make the mouse just go in random positions after to start. It's gonna go to random positions. And yeah, finished. There. This does not every time work. I don't know why, but this does sometimes happen. So let me refresh the page. Let's see. Wait. And just first save it. Then, if you don't know how to save, let's go there. So this is saved now. So if you press it, then it's gonna save project. If you're confused about this, it's just the accounts. You can create accounts. This is the debugs when problems happens. Then you can just press this. It's gonna show you instructions. Tutorial, yeah, it's gonna show you tutorial, anything, add a sprite, yeah, like that. See project page, yeah, it's gonna show us something in a different way, like this. Okay, I think I might have a problem with the mouse. Oh yeah, I don't have. Okay. So now let me just go inside. If you're confused what is settings, it's just language, color mode, and the high contrast. It just change like that. Yeah, if your eyes kind of hurt, then you can just change the color back normal. File. Well, you can just new save now, save as copy, load from your computer, save to computer, yeah. You can also edit it for a little bit. So you can turn on turbo mode. What does turbo mode do? It's make things very speed. So look. See, now the mouse is going more speeder. Very speed. So it's like hard mode. Get it? See? Like that. So this is today's video. So goodbye. Have a great time. You can test this project that I made. And yeah. You can do anything. You can just share it. You can just see project page, yeah, anything with it, anything. Costumes, if you're kind of still confused, you can look at my other video, and yeah, you can just change the costume of the sprite you click. So I'm going to change the costume of this cat. Look. So you want the cat to be like animated, then you can do something. You can press the forever block. Where is it? There. So it's gonna stay forever. Yep. Under the go to thing. So then you want the animation to go, of course, in looks. So it's gonna go to next costume forever, and then yeah, like that. Now look, this is what's happening now. Can just make it a little bit animated there. Yeah, finish. It would not look nice when the forever block is there, so yeah, you can just put the repeat until, of course. So yeah, at the beginning I tell that I'm gonna show the tablet thing, yeah, in next video, but I want to show it like today. So let me just go get this, then we'll repeat until. Okay, control. So the repeat until might be here. There. Did you repeat until? So you can just put the next costume until touching the mouse pointer. The mouse, yeah. So let me now show you for the tablet version. It's very easy. So let me just save this project. As now you can see, now this is in my project place. So I just have a free project I can make here. See inside there. Okay, just wait. So look, this is for tablet mode. So wait, let me just type in tablet mode. Tablet mode, then a tablet mode, hungry cat. Finished. So you just have to set mode draggable, which you can of course do it right here. Then okay. So you need to go to the event group there, bam. Then you just need to repeat until, bam. So you can just move the cat, even if you're like in full screen, you can still move the cat. Start it, bam. So you can now move the cats. Yeah, like this. Okay, this is just the red button just to stop it. So it's gonna repeat until. So let me just add this right, of course, mouse. So just wait for a bit, just loading. Yeah. So let me just add this. Bam. Boop. Touching mouse pointer. No, you have to change it to mouse 1. Then this is mouse 1, of course. So it's gonna glide like not forever until it touches. So of course we need a repeat until. If you're confused for wait 1 second, of course you'll just wait. This is the repeat. It's gonna repeat as many times as you say. Forever, just forever. So it's if you don't know what does the if then, so it's like a conditional. So if something happens, then it's gonna do something else. And if that thing that you put it does not happen, then it's gonna do something here in the else block, what you put. So of course, let me just get the repeat until there. Beep. So it's just gonna like glide until, yeah, something like that. So glide. No, I mean not this. Glide to random position. Then of course you need the sensing until touches the cat. Sprite 1. So if you're like confused about show thing, yeah, you can just not show it and then show. You can need it if you're confused. So this is just the stage. You can just change the backdrops, ask what's your name, use something like that. So yeah, now you can drag it. So let me make the node there, bam. So now you can just drag the cat, yeah. Boom. You just change the mode hard by just where was it? Yeah, edit. Yeah, you can just make it hard by using thermal mode. So yeah, you can just position, yeah, anything. You can add anything, whatever you want. Just put this, bam. Then just add this, bam. Now let me show you in the project page. Wait, scroll up, see project page. So this is just instructions, yeah, anything like that. You can turn on turbo mode if you want. So look, now you can drag the cat. But one thing, there's a problem, you have to leave it first. Then it's gonna work. I don't know, this is a problem which happened when I was like, beginner. I don't know why did this happen. So yeah, this is for today's video. So guys, have a great time. You can just make this project. Yeah. So goodbye, have a great time.